Sagwa, Shawada, Haponyo, Sagwa, Shawada, Haponyo. Sagwa, you're my best friend. Sagwa.
I just wanted to say goodbye to you two before I went fishing. Fishing? Yep. Today's the Dragon Boat Festival, and Bubba's taking me to help catch fish for our feast. And you're not coming.
Bubba, I'm going fishing too.
Sagwa.
The smell of the sea, the sound of the birds, that one great moment when you sweep your paw in the water and, wah, you catch a fish.
Sagwa, you can't go fishing today.
Huh? Only Bubba and I are going. You and Shigwa aren't invited.
Dongwa, that's not true. Your sisters are welcome to come. They just have other things to do to prepare for the festival.
But I'd rather go fishing. Please, Bubba, take me too.
Next time, my Sagwa, you might want to complete your work instead of playing with your sister. Without your finished scroll, there can be no dragon boat race. I asked you to write the rules yesterday. Remember?
I remember. But he gets all the fun.
He finished writing his scrolls. And I'm Bubba's favorite.
Bubba's favorite?
It's gonna be great! Dragons everywhere!
Not real dragons, Fufu. Dragon boats.
Oh, then it's gonna be great! Dragon boats everywhere! So, what's taking so long anyway? You're usually a whiz at writing things.
Do you think Bubba likes Dongwa better?
Better than what? Bite's Eye?
No.
Opera?
No.
Those yummy sweet buns filled with bean paste?
Fufu!
Oh,
I'm afraid that Baba likes Dongwa better than me.
no way! But if it bothers you, go talk to him. Don't drive yourself batty. Well, good luck. All this talking's made me hungry. Jai Jin, my friend!
And we will all wear the ceremonial fragrance pouches for the festival. We filled them with perfume and spices.
My dear Bado, I'd really rather not.
But Baba, we worked so hard to make them for you. Please.
What if Baba does like Dongwa more? Oh, Fufu's right. I just have to go ask him. Then I'll come right back and finish my work.
Waiting to catch fish isn't nearly as much fun as it is catching fish, is it, Bubba?
Oh, I don't know. It all depends if you can find a way to enjoy the waiting.
Whoa! Ah!
Dongwa? I am sorry, my son. You're all wet.
I guess it is funny.
Having fun without me? That is not fair.
You know, son, I'm really glad I get to spend this time with you. Just the two of us.
Just the two of them? It's true. Dongwa is his favorite.
Hey! Stop flashing me! Hey! Baba! Stop!
I don't want to be with them anyway. They're wet and dirty and haven't even caught any fish.
Losers! They'll never catch anything that way.
Nope. Silly cats. All of you.
Silly cats!
I'm not silly. They are.
Let us show you how the experts catch fish. Come with us.
I don't know. I have a lot to do and really should get back.
Hey, stop! Cut it out!
It's your decision, kid. But you're missing out on some big-time fun.
Fun, huh? Let's go.
Hey, Father!
Cook has outdone himself. These chonsu are even better than last year.
They do look and smell delicious.
The ceremony is complete. We dotted all the dragon's I's.
Good! We have awakened the dragons. There is only one thing left to do.
Start the race?
Not without the annual rules. I was thinking we should get more of these.
Watch how we do it.
Now this is real fishing.
Wow.
Pretty impressive, huh?
Impressive!
Very. Why do you have those ropes on your necks?
Without them, all the fish we catch
Would end up in our stomachs.
The scroll! It's not here! I am sorry, Your Majesty. I looked everywhere for the scroll of rules.
We must all wait here until that scroll is found.
But Baba, the dragon boat racers look so eager to begin.
I'm sorry, Bado. No rules, no race. No rules. No race. No rules. No race. No rules, no race. No rules, no race. No rules, no race.
What is that noise?
the dragon boat drums!
Boom!
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 No rules, no race. No rules, no race. No rules, no race. This is an interesting way to pass the time while we wait. Wouldn't you agree?
Huh? Yes, Your Magistrate!
Oh no! I've got to get back! The rules, they aren't done!
Relax. You'll be back late tonight.
Tonight? Why didn't you tell me that before I came with you?
You didn't ask.
Shh! I see one. Help me catch it.
I'm really starting to think we won't be bringing back any fish today.
Who cares?
See ya, kid. Sorry you couldn't stay.
Drop by anytime you want to come fishing with the experts.
Excuse me. Do you have any advice for someone who made a big mistake? I didn't think so.
Getting the drummers to play was a brilliant diversion, Your Magistrate.
You know me. I am always thinking about my villagers' happiness. And food.
Oh, I am in so much trouble.
Yes, Sagwa, you are. I just don't understand. You had a job, and because you didn't do it...
I know. No dragon boat race.
Not until tomorrow, anyway. The magistrate postponed it. I'm writing the rules now. For you.
I'm sorry. I know I made a huge mistake. I mean, it didn't start huge. It just sort of grew that way.
Grew that way?
I guess Dongwa really is your favorite. Especially now.
Favorite? Where did this come from?
Dongwa said it. And then I saw how much fun you two were having. I heard you say how special it was.
It was special. Time alone with each of you is special. That doesn't mean I love anyone more or less.
But you took him fishing, not me.
Yes, because he was the only one who had finished his work. You knew that.
Yeah. I guess after I saw how much fun you were having, I wished it was me splashing in the water with you.
Sagwa, you know I love you. Yes? And that nothing in the world can get in the way of the fullness in my heart. For you, for Shigwa, for Dongwa. Would you like to do something fun with me now?
You mean it? Yes!
I know it isn't playing in the water, but how's this?
It's the most fun I've had all